Critical colon cancer symptoms you should never ignore. Colon each year. It's important to be aware of the signs and symptoms of colon cancer so that you can get diagnosed and treated early, when the chances of survival are highest. Here are some of the most common colon cancer symptoms. Changes in bowel habits. This could include diarrhea, constipation, or a change in the consistency of your stool. For example, you may notice that your stools are narrower than usual, or that they're hard and difficult to pass. Research shows that changes in bowel habits are the most common symptom of colon cancer. A study by the American Cancer Society found that 42% of people with colon cancer experienced changes in bowel habits before being diagnosed. Abdominal pain. This pain can be constant or intermittent, and it can be located anywhere in your abdomen. For example, you may feel pain in your lower abdomen, or pain that comes and goes. Important to note that these symptoms can also be caused by other conditions, so it's always best to talk to your doctor if you experience any of them. If you're concerned about colon, by subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Now, let's proceed with our content. Here are some tips for reducing your risk of colon. Eat a healthy diet. This includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. A healthy diet can help reduce your risk of many different chronic diseases, including colon cancer. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese increases your risk of colon cancer. Limit your alcohol intake. Drinking too much alcohol can increase your risk of colon cancer. Quit smoking. Smoking increases your risk of many different cancers, including colon cancer. Early diagnosis and treatment of colon cancer is essential for improving survival rates. If you experience any of the symptoms of colon cancer, talk to your doctor right away. As a reminder, here are the most common symptoms of colon cancer. Changes in bowel habits. Blood in your stool, abdominal pain, feeling like you can't empty your bowel completely, unexplained weight loss.